Hey guys, Maria Mitchell here. Thanks for joining me. In this face painting tutorial, we are going to learn how to face paint this one stroke butterfly. It's a super simple, quick design for you to whip up in, let's say, 2 minutes by using a one stroke technique. I've outlined these butterfly wings just on the edge here with some black, making it a tad bit thick. And I've also put some white dot clusters to complement the wings. That's an optional thing if you want to make this a quick, easy festival design that you want to whip up in 2 minutes. It's just as effective with just the one stroke. I've also added a jewel, which I've added my adhesive, which is Prozaid. I've added my adhesive before I've started painting, so when I'm ready to put the jewel on, the glue is nice and tacky and ready for me to stick it on, and I don't have to waste any time waiting for it to dry and get tacky before I apply it. I will put out a tutorial on how to make these fairly soon and give you a complete guide on how to make, dry them, store them, etc. I'm using this split cake, which I made up myself. If you want to learn how to make your own split cakes, feel free to check out my video just up here on how to do that. I give you a step-by-step guide on how to make your own split cakes. I've loaded up my 3/4 inch flat angled brush, and I've made sure that the tip of the brush is on the darker blue and that the heel of the brush is on the lighter blue, and I've wanted to load up more blue than lighter blue, so I have just made sure that my brush is positioned right to the edge of where the blue is. That's the tip of the brush. But for now, get your paintbrushes and let's get painting this really pretty blue butterfly design. Load up a generous amount of paint onto your short angled flat brush. Using the tip of your flat brush, we're going to make some indicators spanning from above the temple, spanning right down to where the eyebrows begin in the middle of the face. With the blue loaded on the tip of the brush, pointing to the outer of the wing, we're going to do a wiggle down, up and around, and then bringing it inward with the tip of the brush. For the next loop, we're positioning our brush vertically under that first one, and we're just going to do a curve inward and then leading with the tip of the brush inward. And we'll repeat that as the third loop to go over the eyebrow with the tip of the brush. With the heel of the brush where the lighter blue is loaded up, we're going to drag that paint right into the center of the face, trying not to disturb the darker blue strokes that we've made with the tip of the brush. My rule of thumb is to make sure you've got 2 loops above the eyebrow and 1 loop where the eyelid is. For these ones, bring your brush flat, bring it outward into a curve out, and then curving it in, leading with the tip of your brush, flicking it in. Starting round about halfway across through the width of that loop, we're going to do a last loop coming inward to the middle of the eye. Brush flat, pulling it up to a loop, a really thin one, curving it outward and then back in to the middle of the face, leading with the tip of the brush. Again, just a single loop outward and then inward, leading with that tip, and doing another one spanning over the eyelid. Again, for this one, bringing your brush outward, leading with the tip, looping it inward, curving out, and bring it back in, leading with that tip of the brush with the dark blue loaded. And finishing off with one single loop halfway across the width span of that last one inward. Again, with the heel of the brush, just pulling in that lighter blue inward and trying to make it blend with your skin color as well. For the butterfly antennas, I'm just going to bring my brush on a diagonal, bring it a little bit flat and then flicking it up. while that brush is still loaded. And there you have a really simple 2-minute to 3-minute one-stroke butterfly design. You know, you can step it up a notch by loading your brush. So I've got a number 4 round brush here loaded up with some black, and I'm just going to outline the edges of those butterfly wings. Now the idea of this is to make sure that these black outlines on the edges are fairly thick, because we're about to put some dot clusters inside of the black areas of these brush strokes. Again, this is completely optional. Of course, if you have enough time to outline and enter in these dot clusters, then feel free to go for it. Now, on top of these black strokes, I've just loaded up my number 4 round brush with some white, and I've loaded it up quite generously on the watery side, and I'm making some dot clusters that vary in size. So they'll start off to be thick by pressing your brush right down, and end up being smaller by barely touching the brush onto your skin. It's jewel time now, so meet my collection of homemade jewel clusters. I've just dabbed on some Prozaid on the back of this jewel, and now I'm just going to stick it onto the middle of my face, and there we go. Voila, a beautiful blue butterfly. And there you have it, a pretty butterfly design, which is super simple and easy to whip up in no time at all for those ultra busy lines at festivals or family days, community events. If you have a little bit more time, as I said, you can put in the outline of the black and the dot clusters, but without that is quite effective. So enjoy recreating this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions, or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below, and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.